Good morning. Alright, we're out here. This is the maintenance shop. Y'all seen the video on the sonar and exploring after the sonar, and so here we are. The day's to pour. We're going to pour. I think we got 120 yards to do. Not a big pour. So I'll take this and I'm going to turn it around. I'll show y'all what we're doing. There you have it. Now, that drain in the center. Everything's going to slope. This will be a maintenance shop. They want to be able to wash out the floor. So they're going. We put that in. They're actually going to set a tank right there that they're going to pump out, like a septic tank, grease trap. Guys are doing the finishing touches. Gentleman over there, he's putting the strings, setting bolts. Got to make sure everything's right. And over here, there's the bolt pattern down there. See, if you can see, this has a curve around it. This right here. See that over there? This whole building has a 6-inch curve built in the inside of it. Maybe moving a little fast. Got a little bit of office and plumbing going in there. Guys over here getting this in order. Here you can see we got a doorway. Over here. Then we got the garage door opening there. Garage door opening there. We got everybody's favorite concrete pumper in Houston. Six Brothers is on the job. So we'll keep you informed as this goes. Filling up the grade beams first. See the crew back there waiting to jump in? You can see now we got the grade beams. I think we still got 4 of them right there to fill up. But all the ones around, now they're going to start pulling it down. From here to start taking on that finished look. This is a little more complicated of a slab. If you can see, we're doing a curve right here. At the same time we're doing this lower. It's one monolithic. We got the grade beam, the slab, and the curve all in one pour. All right, exactly what you don't want to happen when you're pouring concrete happen. Weather report said this morning there was no chance of rain till 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning. Well, guess what? The weatherman was wrong. I know that's shocking to say the weatherman was wrong, but he was definitely wrong. So either it's raining awful hard or the seagulls are really letting me have it. All right, but this is not what you want. You see that slab back there half poured? That's not good. But we'll work it out. It's supposed to go over. We'll get the cloud out. We'll get some Portland cement. because the water's going to wash the cement off the top, so we'll re-put some Portland on it. We'll still get a good job out of it. But days like this will definitely test your skills, okay? To keep a happy customer. I mean, come on, look at the rain. There it is. Not what you want to see. That's not good. All right, here we are. It's really rained hard. We got caught. So, this is where your skill level comes out. You can't give up. You know, 120 yards of concrete, times that, you know, what's that, $13,000, $14,000 worth of concrete. There's no refund on that. You let it set up in that rebar, another $10,000 wrapped up in all that, not counting labor. This is a big deal. Good thing we got some good guys here. We ain't giving up. But you can see behind us. Woo. You can see behind us. Days like this, you just gotta do what you gotta do. Say that's pretty wet. Fresh poured concrete. Can't give up though. Can't give up. See where to wash the cement down out of the stone. See now over there, that hadn't got the rain on it. This section got rained on. So this is the side we got to work real hard. So it's going to be a long day. Guys are working hard on this one. Rough day. Forklift, while lifting up to set this on the pad, right when it got the machine there, it blew a hydraulic line. So now you got to go get another forklift to lift this forklift up so we can put this machine up on there. May have a little damage to the seat. That line just blew and it dropped. Alright, you see picking that one up? See that forklift picking up that one? Where that hydraulic line blew. Alright, got the one forklift out of the way. When he came in, see them 2x6s right there? He didn't see it and he jabbed in it and that busted his hydraulic line. Alright, now they're going to set this down here for right now. Lock it into place. That's heartbreaking when you see your equipment gets jammed like that. Stuff's not cheap. It's not cheap to buy it. It's not cheap to run. And it's not cheap to keep it up. When that's how you make your living, you see something happen like that, it's hard. secret. The rain washes all the cement out. So you got to replace it. And now we got this Portland. Back to Portland, gonna spread it out. All the rocks. I'm not going to kid you. The big machines over there are what really saved the day. They can bring it out. Still got a little bit of working on the edge right there. If you'll look at this jug right here. That right there is help bonding. Clean up them edges. But for this to be all rock, to be at this, still, we're still going at it. These guys did a damn good job. Damn good. Well, it's been a long day. The rain, the forklift, dropping the machine. I mean, it rained on us. We took it hit us for 3 hours. You see the pictures, you see the rocks. We come close to losing it. We come close, but we didn't. We did not lose it. We earned our damn money. We earned our damn money. You better believe that.